Hey guys, welcome to the channel and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you all are doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do polygel nail extension. Guys, frankly speaking, I'm not an expert in this area. I have been doing nail art since so many years now. But for nail extension, I'm practicing it since few months, like 5-6 months. So during my attempts, whatever information I have gathered or whatever tips I could know about it, I would like to share those tips with you. The first and foremost step would be to prep your natural nails for the extension. So if there is any older nail polish on your nails, then you will have to remove it with the help of nail polish remover. Then you will have to trim your nails to the end. So you have to use the filer and you have to trim all the nails. You need to file them to the very end. Then you will have to push back the cuticles. So if there is any cuticle, then you'll have to gently push them back with the help of cuticle pusher or orange wood stick. This would ensure that there will be a clean and clear surface for the extension. You can also cut the excess skin around the cuticles, but I am not showing that step over here as the cuticles are already clean and clear over here. Then you'll have to buff your nail surface. So lightly buff the surface of your natural nails using the buffer to remove the shine. This will really create a better surface for the extension. Then you'll have to clean and dehydrate the nails. So use the nail dehydrator or alcohol to remove the oil and the moisture from your nail surface. The next step would be to choose the right size of the tip. So you have to select the nail tip that fits your natural nails properly. So it should not be smaller, it should not be bigger, and if it is bigger, you'll have to trim them as per the size of the nails. Here these tips are not going to be stick to the nails. You will have to remove it later, but you have to create the nail extension with the help of these tips. So you can see here how I have arranged them as per the order. Next step would be to apply the gel base coat. So whatever products I have used here, I'll be providing you the link in the description box below. I have purchased the nail extension kit. So you'll have to cure that under the UV lamp. This took around 60 seconds to cure it properly, but yeah, that time depends brand to brand and it may vary. The next step would be to use the polygel, and you have to get the small amount of polygel on the tip. We are using the slip solution here, and this brush and slip solution was available in the kit. I'll provide you the link in the description box below. You have to soak the brush in the slip solution for 2-3 minutes before using it, so that it will be more smoother and it will be easy to use it. We have to spread the polygel over the tip evenly, and it should not be very thin, it should not be very thick. If it is very thin, then it will break easily, and if it is very thick, then it will not look proper. Now how much polygel to use and how to spread it evenly, you will need a little bit of practice for that, so that judgment you would get over the period of time. You have to properly place the tip over the nail, and this is the most important step because you have to mind the distance between the cuticle and the tip. It should be proper so that it will look like a real nail. Then you have to cure the same under the UV lamp. Here it took around 75 seconds to cure it properly. Now that depends brand to brand, so you have to follow the guidelines as given by the brand. Guys, nail extension with the polygel is a very lengthy process. It takes a lot of time. Here I am showing the whole process in 7 to 8 minutes, but it took around 2 hours for me to do it for both the hands. Yeah, this process is really very satisfying. If you like to do the nails, then you will definitely enjoy doing it. So you have to take the polygel on the tip, spread it evenly and place it over the nail and cure it. So this process you will have to follow for all the nails. For a beginner, make the list of the things which are required, take them in one place and then start the process. The process will be more enjoyable. Once the polygel is completely cured under the UV lamp, you have to remove the tip, and that is the next important step. Now 2 tips I would give you. While spreading the polygel around the tip, you will have to take care that there will be no gap or the bubble, so that it will look proper. Otherwise that bubble would be visible and that would not really make your nails look nice. The second tip is about the slip solution. you have to take the sufficient amount of slip solution on the brush. If it is too much, then it will spill over, and if it is lesser, then you will not be able to spread the polygel over the tip. So you have to get that proper judgment, and of course you will get that with the practice. I had already selected and arranged the tips as per the size. The process was very faster when I started using the polygel. Now the most important step starts, which is very satisfying too. Here I am filing the nails as per the required length. I didn't want long nails, so I wanted to make them medium, so I filed them as per the required size. Here I am using the file which was given in the kit. These nails are very hard as compared to the natural nails, so this file should be very strong. If you find that the height of the nail is too much and nails are looking thicker, then you can file the surface of the nail also. Then you will have to rub the alcohol over the nail. That alcohol will make the surface of the nail smoother. Then you apply the base coat and cure it under the UV lamp as per the specification given by the brand. Guys, applying the gel base coat before applying the polygel is the most important step here, so that your natural nail would not be damaged. You can apply the nail polish as per your choice, cure it under the UV lamp, and you are done with the nail extension. I have given the square shape, but you can definitely give the shape as per your own choice. So guys, these are the tips and the steps to follow to do polygel nail extension. If you found this video useful, then please hit like, and also let me know in your comments if there is any tip which you would like to share with me. I create content related to nails. If you are interested in nail related content like nail polish swatches and review, nail art, nail care, hand care, nail hacks, then please subscribe to my channel and also keep the notifications on. Regarding the polygel nail extension, I'll be giving you all the steps in one place on one page at the end of the video. I'm sure it will be useful for you. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.